Once upon a time, in a big farm near a blue lake next to a tall mountain, there lived a happy dog named Jimaboo and a kind horse named Handa. The farm was beautiful. It had green fields, tall trees, and colorful flowers. The lake was shiny like a mirror, and the mountain looked strong and proud. Jimaboo was a small dog with brown fur and big ears. He loved to run, bark, and chase butterflies. Handa was a tall, white horse with a long mane that looked like silk. She liked to walk slowly and eat grass. The two friends loved their home. They had fun in every season: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. One day in spring, Jimaboo and Handa woke up early. The sun was warm, and the flowers were blooming. Birds sang in the trees. Jimaboo ran in the field, barking happily. "Come, Handa. Let's play," said Jimaboo. Handa smiled. "Okay, Jimaboo. But let's be careful of the flowers. They are so pretty." The friends played hide and seek. Jimaboo hid behind a tree. Handa counted. 1, 2, 3, she said. Then she looked for Jimaboo. "I see you," laughed Handa. They laughed and ran all morning. At lunchtime, they rested near the lake. The water was cool and clean. They drank some water and looked at the fish swimming. "This is the best spring ever," said Jimaboo. "Yes," said Handa. "I love spring." In summer, the sun was hot. The days were long and bright. Jimaboo and Handa loved summer too. One sunny day, Jimaboo said, "Handa, let's go to the lake. We can swim." Handa laughed. "I can't swim like you, Jimaboo. But I can watch you swim." Jimaboo jumped into the lake. Splash! The water was cool. He swam around, wagging his tail. "Come, Handa. Try it." Handa put one foot in the water. "Oh, it feels good," she said. "But I like the grass better." After swimming, Jimaboo and Handa walked to a big apple tree. The tree had sweet, red apples. Handa ate the apples. Jimaboo tried one, but he didn't like it. "I like bones better," he said. They sat under the tree and watched the sunset. The sky turned pink and orange. "Summer is so nice," said Handa. "Yes," said Jimaboo. "It makes me happy." In autumn, the leaves on the trees turned red, orange, and yellow. The wind was cool, and the air smelled fresh. One autumn morning, Jimaboo found a pile of leaves. He jumped into the leaves. "Look, Handa. This is fun." Handa walked to the pile of leaves. "Let me try," she said. She stepped into the leaves, and they made a crunching sound. "Crunch, crunch," said Handa. "This is fun." Jimaboo and Handa played in the leaves. They made a big mess, but they didn't care. After playing, they rested under a tree. Handa looked at the mountain. "The mountain looks so pretty in autumn," she said. "Yes," said Jimaboo. "Autumn is colorful and happy." Winter came. Snow covered the farm. The lake froze, and the trees were white with frost. It was cold, but Jimaboo and Handa still had fun. One day, Jimaboo said, "Handa, let's play in the snow." "Okay," said Handa. "But I don't like the cold." Jimaboo rolled in the snow. He made a snowball with his paws. "Look, Handa. A snowball." Handa smiled. "Let's make a snowman," she said. They worked together. Jimaboo pushed the snow with his nose, and Handa used her hooves. Soon, they made a big snowman. They gave him a carrot for a nose and 2 rocks for eyes. "He looks happy," said Jimaboo. "Yes," said Handa. "Winter is so special." Jimaboo and Handa loved every season. Spring brought flowers and birds. Summer brought sunshine and long days. Autumn brought colorful leaves and cool air. Winter brought snow and fun. "We are so lucky," said Handa one day. "We have the best home." "Yes," said Jimaboo. "And the best friend." They smiled and looked at the lake. The sun was setting, and the sky was golden. Life on the farm was always happy. Jimaboo and Handa lived on the big farm for many years. Every day brought new adventures and fun. They loved exploring, helping the farmer, and enjoying the beauty of nature.